This short guide explains how to buy shares of LUDWIG BECK Rathauseck Textilhaus Feldmeier AG, listed on Xetra under the ticker ECK.de. LUDWIG BECK is a historic German textile and department store operator, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ECK.de to find the listing. Make sure the result shows the Xetra listing for LUDWIG BECK, so you select the correct stock. Open the asset page to review the company profile, recent information, and the price chart for context. Confirm the instrument is the Xetra-listed LUDWIG BECK share under ECK.de before continuing. To place an order, tap Invest, set the amount you wish to buy, and carefully review order details such as order type and any estimated fees. If the market is closed, your order will be queued until it opens. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your LUDWIG BECK position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. A link to the example eToro page is available in the description below.